Howdy guys, in today's video we'll be looking at some basic guidelines for creating rhinestone patterns. Let's have a quick intro here. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. You guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and we do upload videos daily. So yeah, just keep an eye there for any new content. Otherwise, we head back in the program here. Now, the little message that, this is a mini series. So we've already covered the basic user interface, which I will leave a link in the description to that video. And then in this video, we'll just be covering some basic guidelines. So when using the Rhinestone tool, there's a few things you want to keep in mind. So when it comes to the actual design, you want to try keep the design you're working on as close to the final design as possible. So that means if you're doing let's say rhinestones on a shirt, then make sure your template is set up so that it is close to exact the same size. You can resize rhinestones afterwards. It has capability, but this will just help you to have your final product a bit more refined. Then also another thing is always make a backup. So let's say you've got text and you want to make rhinestone of it. You can always just go to your layers, and then you can make a duplicate of it. So you can duplicate from the object menu or from the Control D, and then you hide that one. So in case you need to do any changes to the rhinestone, or you want to add like a border shadow or anything like that, then at least you have a backup of the original. So that's also a good rule to follow. Then the circle size of the rhinestones. In general, you want to have it about 3 sizes larger than the rhinestones you buy. So if you have a SS10, then maybe consider doing the design in SS13. But do play around and see what works for you. Then also another thing on fonts. It's a good practice to rather stick to more basic fonts. If you're going for a fancy font, what I would recommend you do is after you've done your design, and then either you've made it a test print or on your computer, just you bring a friend or two over and then have them look at the design and have it, have them read it. See if they can quickly decipher what's standing there, because your eyes kind of get used to the design. So this way you kind of see it's still easily readable. And with fancy fonts, it tends to quickly become unreadable. Then also a good practice is you can make a test template with like various size patterns. So you'll get like a certain pattern shape, and then you make various size rhinestones, because 0.01 millimeter difference can make a big difference when you're finally laying in the rhinestones. So so make one of the few different sizes, and you can just test which one works the best for you, because too small the rhinestones won't fall in, and when it's too large they tend to flip the wrong side up. So try to find that good balance. And then just a little disclaimer, this is just really a guide only, so it's not set in stone. You still have to play around and see what works best for you, but in general, if you follow these guides, then you tend to have a alright outcome with where you can save some time on that. Otherwise, I will put a link for the next video as well in the description. But if we go to our website here, if you guys go to VinylCut.co.za, the program is freely available here. Just navigate to the download area. Then also if you guys navigate to softwaretraining.co.za, you can find this video and more like it. As you can see, also we've got a variety of softwares we do cover, like I mentioned before, and we also have this nice little search option here. So if you guys are looking for anything specific, and then if you don't find what you're looking for, just go here to request the training video, then we'll make that for you. Well, cool. Thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.